Alam mo, maging sa Bible, sabi niya, I keep your law in my heart that I may not sin against you. So habang lalo tayo nagme-meditate ng salita niya, that alone is a discipline, no, to develop. Kasi yung habit yan eh. So, kaya magdidesisyon ka dyan, choice mo yan. Kaya ngayon, dun mo simulan. You keep on meditating on His words. That yung word kasi is the sword of the Spirit. Yan lang yung pang-depensa at pang-opensa. Kaya kung alam mo yan, siyempre may panlaban ka. In fact, when Jesus Christ was tempted, ganun din ang sagot niya lagi. Pag sinasabi ganun, are you really the Son of God? If you are the Son of God, turn this stone into bread. Ano sagot ng Lord? It is written, man shall not live by bread alone, but with every word that proceeds out of the mouth of God. Tapos ginamit ulit yung word. Sabi niya, kasi sabi niya, the Lord will give His angel concerning you. Di ba? Ganun. Kulang. Out of context. Kaya sagot ng Lord, it is written, ulit na naman, you shall not test the Lord thy God. Di ba? Tapos pati sa worship. Lahat ng yon ang sagot ni Lord, salita niya. So importante yon. We meditate on His word and that will help us to develop a habit of discipline. Kasi doon pa lang, simula na yun eh. Yung pagbabasa pa lang, simula na yun.